Hello everyone, I hope you're ready, because today we are going to be talking about the top 5 graphics cards. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The MSI GTX Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 is our choice for the best budget mid-range graphics card. It's currently priced around $400, making it a great value for just about any build. At this price point, you could be forgiven for thinking the RTX 3060 would be little more than an underpowered version of the GTX 1650, but this couldn't be further from the truth. The RTX 3060 is part of AMD's Polaris family and can take advantage of NVIDIA's Ansel technology. While it doesn't quite have the power to push ultra settings at 1080p resolutions in AAA titles with only 45 FPS averages, it does handle 1440p with 60 FPS averages effortlessly. It isn't able to handle 4K resolution as well as cards like the GTX 1660 Ti or 2070, but its impressive 1440p performance still makes it one of my favorite budget cards around. For those who demand power consumption data before deciding on a graphics card, this might be the one for you. MSI's RX 3060 has a super low power consumption rate of only 50 watts when under full load. This is likely thanks to its Ghost thermal technology and Zero Frozer feature that drastically increase output stability while reducing temperatures and noise levels overall. Finally, let me tell you that since this is a 10 series GPU and not built on AMD's 12nm process, you can also expect great compatibility with most standard 1080p displays out there, even if they don't feature DisplayPort 1.4 ports. All in all, if you're looking to get your feet wet in gaming on a budget without feeling like your wallet was just run over by a truck afterwards, then check out MSI's Radeon RX 3060 Gaming X as our choice for best graphics card under $400. Now we have the Saplo's AMD Radeon RX 550, our pick for the best budget group. The Saplo's AMD Radeon RX 550 is one of the most affordable gaming graphics cards out there. For less than $180, you can get one of these budget powerhouses that can play many modern games at 1080p resolution on low to medium settings. You'll be hard-pressed to find a graphics card at this price point that performs quite as well as the Saplo's AMD Radeon RX 550 does. It uses a 128-bit 4GB GDDR5 memory clock for higher bandwidth performance and has an all-solid-state capacitor for lower power consumption. With its 2GB of GDDR5 memory, it's also capable of powering through most games in 1080p resolution on medium settings with ease. Its core clock ranges from 1120 MHz in boost mode up to 1180 MHz in normal use and is guaranteed to deliver solid performance under load situations. The next product we are going to talk about is the Maxon AMD Radeon RX 550 4GB PC graphics card. One of the more popular low-end options on the market is this Maxon RX 550, which covers all of our bases. It has a cooling fan that keeps it from overheating and supports DirectX 12 and Shader Model 5.0 for gaming without a hitch. Its 128-bit interface provides performance equal to or better than cards that are several times its price, and it's still one of the best budget video cards available today when you factor in its all-around value for your dollar. You can run 1080p gaming on this little guy, even though it's only 7 centimeters long and has a low profile. It is ideal for those who have limited space inside their systems. The 9cm unique fan provides low noise and huge airflow, boosting clock speeds up to 1183 MHz under full load, while keeping temperatures as low as possible by automatically lowering clock speeds once internal temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius to ensure stability while preventing thermal overloads. This card also comes with full support for DirectX 12 and Shader Model 5v5, making it perfect for 3D CAD CAM working, video editing, or just kicking back with some games at 1080p. Next up we have the Zotac Gaming GTX 1650, our pick for the best gaming graphics card under $300. The GTX 1650 is a great budget card, especially considering it has an MSRP of just $200. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for small form factor systems or as an upgrade to replace your onboard GPU. It also comes in a super compact low-profile design that fits 99% of systems out there, making this one of the most versatile cards on this list. The 1650 is based on NVIDIA's Turing architecture and includes 6GB GDDR6 RAM with 14GB PS bandwidth. It is clocked at 1590 MHz boost clock and boasts super cooling performance even under extreme conditions. On output, you have a choice between using DVI-D directly from your DisplayPort or using a dongle that converts to HDMI 2.0B or DisplayPort 1.4 outputs for full 4K performance at 60 FPS, all without any scaling issues thanks to its My Input feature set at max 600 MB per channel support. Let's move on to our final pick for the best all-around gaming card under $250, the Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 Super. The Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Super is a small but powerful little graphics processing unit (GPU) that will handle 1080p high to maximum settings and at least 60 frames per second, even with games that are more demanding. It is a great pick for those who love smaller, mini-X builds where space is at a premium and you still want to play your favorite games. One of its most notable features is the build quality. This budget gaming card features an aluminum shroud with brushed accents and a backplate sporting the same feeling of luxury as higher-priced cards. Not only does this help dissipate heat efficiently, but it also can make your own rig feel like a much more premium product than it really is, thanks to its much more visually appealing aesthetics. The extra power requirement may come as a surprise when you see how compact this graphics card is. Even its power connector has been shrunk down to 2x6 pins from the standard 8 pins found on most other cards in this category. With 10 display output options including 3 DisplayPort 1.4 slots, 2 HDMI 2.0B slots, and 2 USB 3 ports for VR headset functionality support simultaneously in 4K resolution at 60 FPS refresh rates with HDR support, this tiny monster is very versatile indeed. For just $249, we cannot think of any better value for gaming on a low budget than the Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 Super. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 graphics cards. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.